Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room for, what day is it today? Excuse me, Friday, February the 12th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of the trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. Link to the free room is right here, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. Room is open Mondays to Fridays between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen. I'm live on the mic. Just as a reminder for those of you who don't know, the markets are closed on Monday for President's Day in the United States. In the email you're getting, you will see a link to my homepage. My homepage has information on it and how to take out a subscription. Do have a new promo code that will be available until 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday night, and you'll get 20% off. You'll see the promo code to use. Okay. Also see from my homepage, you'll see a link to the trade of the week. Also all the scans that I'm sharing and some great training links. Now, I do apologize. I've had some issues trying to get my couple of times this week, trying to get this video done, and my capture program has kind of gone kaput on me. But hopefully today it'll be okay. So let me just bring in a chart here. I just want to tell a couple of alerts from the AI. Look at this one, beautiful and pretty easy. When I say easy, look at the 15-minute chart. So the alert was at 46.54. It is still rising. So on that candle is when the alert happened. Now, the first, I have to admit, the first half hour, you had some bottoming tails to deal with. But then if you were able to hold on, because it did not come close to the stop, it was a great, great, great run and still running. And then, right now that's up 8%. Another one was a short for INFI, and the short was at 440. A little bit choppy. I mean, there was a topping tail there. That's why it shorted it, and right there at 440. But it did get down to 407 before the little bit of a pull up here. So, and that right now is up 6%. Let's take a quick look at what happened to my options plays today. Now this one I had high hopes for, the FTFT. This is a crypto play, but it was really, really wild and choppy. It may happen later on. There it is, 819, but it's very, very choppy. This one though, look at SOS. Now at the beginning, there was the alert 598, and what did it get up to? I mean, it did pull back, but before it pulled back, it got up to 7. So for it's a dollar move, great move. AMKR, that worked out pretty well for a while. 24.97 got up to 20, almost a dollar from that alert. This is actually one that I swung. I did get out of it this morning before the market opened, and I was kind of regretting it. I still am regretting it, but I took this trade right here at 22.90 or 22.20 or so, and got out this morning at just over a dollar. I'm just not a great swing trader, but I was saying in the room, I sure wish I had held it. But at this point, I certainly would have traded some out. This was, I always talk about these SPACs. These SPACs coming into and I should give it a little title here. This is where this is coming from. This is just a don't repeat version of the moving higher with unusually strong options. The don't repeat version allows me to take a look at where the first alert happened, so I can kind of track to see what it did from there. There's the time of the alert, and there is the price. So I mean, this was awesome if you're paying attention. 12:10, and this is the candle. There's that blue arrow, and it 15-minute chart all the way up to 1281 before it came down. This one, I'm not sure. We were trading this one 1069. What did it get up to? Yeah. This was actually an earnings play, and a lot in the room were trading this one. I mean, it had tremendous reaction to its earnings. Quick was another one, 762. You had to be quick. Got up to 818. IO, 389. Got up to 537 before I had the big pullback. So I'm just going over a few of these, This Travago, 323, yeah, 344. They're very, very choppy though. Look at these bottoming tails. I mean, do they all work fantastically? Of course not. But certainly, this is a great scan in my opinion, because you can kind of pay attention just a few stocks all day long, and just to see kind of how they, sometimes you get a setup at the beginning and then it drops and then it comes right back. In fact, I'm just getting an alert for FTFT. So it is back up there. There's the alert 819. Again, this is a crypto play, kind of choppy, so I'm not sure what to make of it. But the other thing I wanted to draw your attention to is a potential swing trade. Yeah, sugar. I should be in this one right now. I was talking about this just as I was doing this video. So this is Tiger, T-I-G-R. Take a look at it on the daily chart. This is an all-time high right here. So it had a couple of pullback days, and now it looks like it wants to maybe challenge that all-time high, which is just a couple of days ago. And I was suggesting to people that maybe take a look at it at 330.40. It looks like it's going to run now for a while anyway. Anyway, I think the capture program is working today, so I don't want to push my luck. So I want to end this right now. And remember, bring this over here. I don't know if that will shut the capture program down. Any questions for me, you can use this email address. A link to the free room. Remember, in the email you're getting, you will see a promo for 20% off. Normally my promo is for 15, but this will be for 20% off, either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade ID subscription. And remember, the market's closed on Monday, so we will see you on Tuesday morning at 9 o'clock. Bye-bye.